A 67.25% voter turnout was recorded in the fourth phase of elections on May 13th, covering 96 parliamentary constituencies in 10 states and union territories. While West Bengal had the highest turnout of 78.37%, the lowest voter turnout was 37.98% recorded in Jammu and Kashmir. Pertinently, as voting for Phase 4 has been concluded, all eyes are now on Phase 5, which will be held on May 20, where 8 states and union territories will go into polls. Phase 4 polling in West Bengal's Durgapur was marked with violence as clashes broke out between workers of the BJP and the Trinamool Congress (TMC). TMC leader Ram Prasad Haldar raised concerns regarding BJP's alleged use of central forces to influence voters, while BJP MLA Lakshman Ghori accused the TMC of forcibly expelling their polling agents from booths. Meanwhile, BJP has complained to the Election Commission against Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. The complaint centers on Reddy's conduct of holding a press conference subsequent to casting his vote, which the BJP contends violates the Model Code of Conduct. Amid the polls, PM Narendra Modi was seen participating in an act of service at the Takhat Sri Hari Mandir Ji Patna Sahib Gurdwara in Patna, the capital city of Bihar, on Monday. Clad in a turban, PM Modi graciously served langar, a communal meal to devotees at the Gurdwara. This gesture quickly gained traction on social media platforms, with videos and images of the Prime Minister engaging in the service going viral. The Election Commission had declared that the voting for Lok Sabha elections this year will be held in 7 phases and the results will be out on June 4. PM Modi-led NDA is eyeing a third term with the motto Ab ki baar 400 par.
Ab ki baar.
While the Indie bloc led by Congress is looking to regain its long-lost power.